Where did he go?
I just saw him a second ago.
I think I know where he is.
Found him, and he's...
Sparkling clean? Guess we need to lose him more often.
In a world where dragons breathe fire and knights battle grime.
Ha! How am I supposed to clean this mess?
Look at the state of you! Dragons or no dragons, you're not stepping inside like this.
But how will we ever get these stains out?
Behold the secret weapon of the realm, Stainless Hero.
Stainless what now?
Just watch and learn, my messy knight.
By the gods, my armor, it sparkles.
Stainless Hero. Because even heroes need a clean start.
Stainless Hero, a stain's worst nightmare.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to create a short TV commercial, and for that, we'll use our ultimate text-to-video prompt generator. First, we'll start by creating a new chat. In this case, I'll click on Create a Short TV Commercial. As you can see, ChatGPT provides me with 10 ideas for TV commercials. Of course, you can directly input your own ideas, and it will generate results accordingly. However, for this demo tutorial, we'll proceed step by step. I'll select one of the ideas, Breeze Laundry Detergent. Clean in a whiff. I choose idea number 6, and ChatGPT begins generating all the scenes for me. Next, I'll ask ChatGPT to create all the shots and add numbering from 1 to 24 for each shot. I'll also specify to use cinematic details and include descriptions for 8 characters. This ensures that ChatGPT follows the instructions as required. As you can see, it generates all the shot descriptions based on my input. Once that's done, I'll click Next. At this stage, ChatGPT starts creating all the prompts that we'll copy into InVideo to generate the commercial. I'll copy all these prompts, paste them into a text document, and arrange everything into one continuous row. I'll remove unnecessary elements like scene titles, and keep only the shot numbers 1, 4, 5, and so on. The final result will be a very large prompt, possibly around 20,000 characters. Once we've compiled everything, we can move on to creating the video. So, let's head to InVideo now. Okay, now we're on the InVideo website, and we'll start by logging in. This is the first screen you'll see. In my case, I'm using the generative package, which is the most expensive option. On the left side, you can see the menu items, including the media gallery, voices, text-to-clip, text-to-image, text-to-title clip, and the history of past generations. Here we have the input field where we'll paste our prompt. I copy all the text generated earlier and paste it here. After that, I can select options such as Create AI Short, Make an AI Explainer, or Create an Animated Film. For this demo, I'll simply copy and paste the prompt without making any edits, and then click to generate. As you can see, it starts analyzing the prompt and building all the sequences necessary for generating the video. Let's wait and see how it progresses. For the demo, I've only used a small part of the prompt to speed things up. Now that we have the options ready, I'll just click Generate and see the results. The process usually takes about 10 minutes. Once it's finished, I'll come back to review the next part of the video. Let's see how quickly it completes this step. At this stage, the tool is finding music and voices, organizing the clips, and putting everything together. For this demo, I copied one prompt and pasted all the ChatGPT-generated prompts in one place. That's it, no further editing. You can also do this manually by writing down all the prompts yourself. For this clip, I used 25 prompts, which were generated using the ultimate text-to-video prompt generator powered by ChatGPT. This process is incredibly efficient, taking just 5 minutes to generate prompts while keeping everything consistent: characters, backgrounds, items, colors, and styling. The end result looks polished and professional. Once the process is complete, I'll return to show you the results. As I mentioned earlier, generating a 1.5-minute video takes about 5 minutes. Now, we have the results. It's a bit slow in preview mode, but the video looks great. Next, I'll click Download. The tool will ask for various download options. Before downloading, I'll show you how to edit the video. For example, there might be subtitles or text that doesn't display correctly. Here, we have all the clips created based on the ChatGPT prompts. Let's go through them. Everything seems fine. If there's something that needs replacing like an image, I can upload a new one and regenerate that specific clip. I'll also check the music to ensure it fits the video. If needed, I can edit the script directly or adjust settings like transitions and voiceovers. In this case, there's no voiceover, but it's fine for a preview. Once satisfied, I save the project and move on to review other videos I've created. For example, this video is already published. I can click Edit and review its script. This time, the script includes dialogues and automatically identifies characters, making the process even smoother. The generated screens look excellent, and the quality is very good. While it might not be perfect as a final product, it's a great starting point for adjustments, such as uploading custom images or generating new media files. You can even add creative animations and motion graphics to enhance the video further. For example, in a scene where dragons breathe fire, I use the tool to generate a dynamic animation. You can also create longer videos, such as the 5-minute clip I generated earlier. For instance, I created a Western-themed story with voiceovers, adding depth and character to the narrative. The ultimate text-to-video prompt generator by ChatGPT helps streamline this process, allowing for faster storyboarding and polished drafts. The results are excellent for creating sketches or drafts for your final videos. Plus, the editing options allow you to fine-tune everything from visuals to voiceovers. This video demonstrated how to use the ultimate text-to-video prompt generator and integrate it with InVideo. The results are impressive. Finally, let's download the finished product. The tool removes watermarks and renders the video in HD or Full HD. Rendering takes about 34 minutes, and then the video is ready for use. You can also use real stock videos instead of AI-generated ones if your content involves tutorials, live coaching, or other similar formats. That's it, the process is complete, and the video is ready. Okay, cool. The last scene has been generated, featuring animated text. Is it perfect? Not quite, but it's really good for now. If you try a few iterations and edit certain parts, your final result will likely turn out great. And that's it for this part. So, let's move on. Here's our InVideo generation panel. I'll copy all my prompts and paste them here under Use My Script. Once pasted, I'll leave the music selection empty for YouTube since I'm unsure what to choose. For subtitles, I'll select Do Not Add Any. This is important to avoid unnecessary subtitles in the final video. As for voices, I'll keep it simple. For watermark settings, I'm not sure yet, but I'll choose the Generate Media option, using the best quality. Then, under Styles, I'll select Fujifilm for this example. Once everything is set, I'll click Continue to start generating. Since you've already seen the process in my previous video, I won't go through it all again here. This method minimizes errors, such as subtitle issues that appeared earlier. Using this process also helps create character details and other elements automatically. For those who prefer a manual approach, there are workflows available. For example, you can select Cinematic AI Film, add your title, and paste your prompt. From there, you can adjust voices and other settings as needed. The process is similar to what I demonstrated earlier. You just click through the options and keep editing as required. You can also create animations, which is a great feature. Choose a style that best suits your film, and it will generate even better results. This is another excellent workflow feature offered by InVideo. Additionally, the platform allows voice cloning. For example, I can input a random prompt, click Generate, and it will create a video for me. Now the video is ready. Let's watch it. You'll notice it even includes sound effects, like the sound of clothes being thrown into the air. Let's go back. You can also create videos step by step, prompt by prompt. That's it for now with InVideo. In the future, I might create another tutorial to explore more plugins. For now, remember that we have a YouTube channel where you can follow us and watch tutorial videos. These tutorials demonstrate how to use the ultimate text-to-video prompt generator, custom GPT, and other AI video generation tools. We also have videos showcasing animations, music videos, documentaries, demo reels, and ads. Additionally, you can find more resources on our Patreon page. On Patreon, we offer free resources, including custom GPTs and downloadable links. Scroll down, and you'll find free prompts, tutorials, and exclusive content available only on Patreon. We also have an X formerly Twitter account and a Facebook group where you can join, log in, and download free resources. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.